everybody, my name is Evan Naveed and today we are learning how to make a, yep, you named it, a standing up doodle. You will need an A4 piece of paper and a pen or a pencil and of course your fingers. First, what you have to do is fold half the piece of paper there. Make sure it's fold down really nice and hard, like that, so it won't go like that. So fold it in half again. Remember, the better the fold, the better it will be. I've done that now. Open it back up. You should have one crease in the middle. Now, fold up till your crease like that. Now you should have half of it, then the half of that, and now the half of this. Open it back up. You should have 3 creases. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 pieces of paper. Well, parts of a paper. 2 which are the same size. 1 medium. 1 that is the half of that. And now what you're going to do is turn it over, and you know this medium sized one, which is the half of this, just on this side, draw a doodle there. I'm just going to do my favourite book character, so which is Tom Gates, of course. You can check Tom Gates out at the end of this video. So let me just do my doodle and then let's go. I just wanted to tell you, make sure you don't do it like too high, because we're going to use this area at the top, and make sure you don't do it too low because we're going to use that area at the bottom. So guys, this is Tom when he, in Dog Zombies Rule for now, when he woke up and he was looking after his pet hamster, so he hardly got any sleep because of his hamster, because it kept making lots of noise. So Liz Pitchin described him as a potato face. So that's how I've drawn him. There's still more to go on this, so I'm going to put my own designs on. We'll see how it goes. And that is all I can do in a few minutes. So yeah, now you're going to turn it back over so it's like that, and you're going to fold halfway until the middle crease. Folding more. Make sure it's a good nice fold, and now what you're going to do is fold the top bits. That's why I said do not use up most of the top area, otherwise, yeah, you know, might have gotten mine a bit too far. You can see a bit of the doodle, but it doesn't matter. And on the other side, let me just quickly do that. So guys, this is kind of the tricky part what you have to do, get this fold, stand it up, fold it on there, on that fold it on that one, and then fold it on this one, on the creases, and then what you have to do is, do you know these little flaps at the end? What you have to do, put that flap inside of that one, or whichever one's bigger. The top one's bigger, so I'll put that, fold it. Did you see that? I've got this piece and this piece, like that, like that, like that, and fold. Now do the same thing on the bottom. Let me just do that. So there we've got it. A nice, lovely standing up doodle. And thanks for watching. My name's Naveed. And bye.